Remove 6 screws. Carefully pry open and lift the cover. Remove 4 screws. Carefully disconnect the cable and remove the battery. Remove 1 screw. Slide the SSD out of its slot and remove it. Disconnect the fan cables. Remove 4 screws and loosen 3 captive screws. Carefully remove the thermal assembly. Disconnect the antenna leads. Remove 1 screw. Lift up the card and remove it. Remove all the cables connected to the main board. Remove 14 screws. Remove the main board. Release the speaker's cable from the guides. Remove 4 screws. Remove the speakers. Release the cables from the guides. Remove 4 screws and remove the antennas. Slide the pen out of the enclosure. Remove 3 screws. Lift up and remove the pen holder. Disconnect and remove the cable. Remove one screw. Carefully remove the power button board. Remove 4 screws. Lift up and remove the touchpad. Remove one screw. Remove the bracket. Peel off the cable and remove the fingerprint reader. Remove 8 screws. Remove the bracket. Remove the keyboard bezel. Peel off the hinge cover. Remove 10 screws. On the bottom right corner, lift up the tip of the piece of special tape. Slowly pull out the tape. On the bottom left corner, lift up the tip of the piece of special tape. Slowly pull out the tape. Lift up the bottom edge of the LCD unit and pull slightly to disengage the top edge. Disconnect and peel off the camera cable, touch cable and EDP cable. Remove the LCD unit. Remove 8 screws. Remove the 2 pieces of the bracket. Peel off the cable and remove the hinge assembly. Carefully peel off the camera module and microphone board. Remove the camera module.